welcome to my channel. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe. I am Okeke Chizoba, a teacher and an edupreneur. If you are new, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I make videos on how to make money online, tricks and hacks to make life better. If you want to make money online, click on the subscribe button, hit notification bell so that we get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. The beauty of ghostwriting is that you have multiple alternative platforms to write for. The ones you can meet their requirements, you can go with them. We have novels, we have articles, we have poems, and a lot more. So in this video, I am going to introduce to you the website that have earned me and my students more than $800 per month. Watch to the end of this video so that you're not going to miss my favorite site. So this is the first website. It is called Pro Blogger. You go through it and see how it works, because I'm not going to waste much time because I'm introducing websites in this video. So in my next video, I am going to be showing you how you can register. So in this one now, you go to jobs. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of jobs. Some are anywhere, some are US based, some are London, some are anywhere. A lot of them are anywhere. So you can choose the one you want to and you are good to go. And they are paying a lot for you. Another website is Writer Access. So you go through it, click on this 3 bar, you go to for freelancers, you click on apply now. Then you follow the instructions. The first step is for you to use your LinkedIn to sign up. All you have to do, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you create one. Then it's just about 4 steps. You do that and you are good to go. The next site is called Skyward. Skyward. So if you want to start, you click on freelance for us. From there, you follow the instruction. I want to freelance. You can watch their YouTube video to know how it works. The next site is Strong Whispers. So as you can see, the steps to follow. The first step, you suggest a topic. The second one, you submit your articles and you get paid. Read the instructions very well. As you can see from here, they said we pay $50 per published article. So we aim to publish 2-3 guest posts per month. So this site, as you can see, they said if your articles are poor, they are going to reject it. So do your research very well, then you are good to go. The next site is called A List Apart. They pay writers hood for their services. As you can see from here, you click on Write for Us. You follow the details. Read through this. Okay, so what we publish articles of anywhere between 600 to 2,500 words, depending on the subject complexity. So from there, you are good to go. You email them, do everything they ask you to do. I'm not going to go in details in this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel at this point, do well to subscribe to my channel, because I am going to be taking you people in a gradual steps on how to apply for this contract. Another site I'm going to be introducing today is called Constant Content. You sign up as a writer, sign up as a customer, you write for us. Anyone you choose, you are good to go. So you click on that. Account details, that's what you are going to do. It is a step-by-step something. You put your details. After that, you are going to do a grammar test. After grammar test, they are going to audit your article. If you have other articles in another platform, you can use it for this your article audition. So as you can see, they say write for us. If you are passionate about written word and have a proven track record in creating exceptional content, then we should talk. You have a lot of articles in other sites, then you can apply for this particular site. The site I'm going to be introducing today is called Text Broker. This is a foreign platform that accepts only the US base, but we have a way we can do it. So if you want to know how, you can subscribe to my channel so that you are going to know how you can write for this company based on your location. So if you want to sign up, you click on sign up and follow the details there. Another platform is called contently.com. So as you can see there, they say join the network. Contently is the best way to maintain an active, creative freelancer career based on the writer. So if you want to get started, click on get started. Then you fill in, follow the instruction, then you are good to go. Follow the instructions, then you are good to go. Next platform I'm going to be introducing to you tonight is called Verblio.com. So what you're going to do as a writer is for you to click on I am a writer who wants to provide content for Verblio. After you have done that, you read their opportunities. If you are okay with that, you click on apply now. Then it doesn't take much minute. It doesn't take much minutes. All you have to do is for you to follow the instructions, then you are good to go. Another platform is called guru.com. In guru.com, when you come to this website, all you have to do is for you to click on find jobs. On this search bar, you click on the type of job you want and you are good to go. We have another platform. I believe that this is not your first time of coming across this website called Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the biggest and the largest ghostwriting platform that you can do a lot of work and get paid in huge amounts. So what you are going to do is for you to click on become a seller. When you click on that, you follow the instructions there and you are good to go. Another platform I'm going to be introducing today is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com, you can write for them, do a lot of things for them. So if you want to get started, you click on earn money freelancing. When you do that, you follow the instructions and you are good to go. Or you click on find jobs, follow the instructions and you are good to go. So this is one of my favorite platform where I have earned more than you can imagine in your head from this platform. Look at this platform. So if you want to learn how me and my students have done so much from this particular platform, all you have to do is for you to connect with me and specify that you want to learn from how I have made a lot of money from Opera News Hub. So that's what I'm going to do for you in this particular platform. But it is not free anyway. You are going to pay a token for me to direct you on how to get started in this platform. Okay, this website also is one of my favorite platforms that have given a lot of our students more money that you can imagine. All you have to do is for you to click on I am a freelancer looking for work. If you don't know how to get started, click on the link below to connect with me to guide you on how to get started. All you have to do is for you to do the needful and you are good to go. So I believe that you enjoy watching my video. If you want to learn how you can get articles for this site, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, then hit the notification bell so that you're not going to miss my next video, because I am going to show you the important tools to use for the articles and how to post some of it.